Okay guys, this is a fun 5-minute fat burner with 800 steps, a power-packed walk. Now don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you guys want to follow me on the daily, connect with me on Instagram at UpToTheBeatFit, and all our social links are below. But for now, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, we have 5 minutes, actually just a little over 5 minutes, but this is a faster paced workout, so we're gonna do 800 steps. So how good is that? All you need is 5 minutes. There are no excuses if you're short on time, so let's pump it up. All right, walking on the spot, standing nice and tall, shoulders relaxed, core is in. We're gonna rock those elbows back and forth, get those knees up a little bit higher every time. That's it. All right, this is a fun one. Walk it forward. That's it. Take it back. Take it forward. Nice easy walk first. Let's not add any arms here because we're going to go into our first dance move. In 5, 6, 7, here we go. I'm going to show you out. 1, 2, 3. Out. 1, 2, 3. So let's just learn that move first. Then we're going to add those dance moves with the arms. That's it. Are you ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Now I want to see a hip. We'll rock it out. That's it. Rock it out. And rock. And rock. Here we go. And 1. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to go into a walk. Are you ready? And walk it forward. Take it back. We're made for now, not tomorrow. That's the title of this song. So be present here. You're going to commit to 5 minutes with me, yes? Yes. All right. Now watch this. Here we're going to go. Step, hip, hip, out. Hip, hip, and out. Hip, hip. Why not add some fun into it? And shake, shake, shake. Everybody, move that body. All right. And walk it forward. Take it back. That's it. Walk it forward. Take it back. You got it, guys. Just groove to the beat. Let that rhythm take you. Are you ready? Let's go. Out we go. 1, 2. Now take it up. That's it. Walk, walk, walk. Take it back. Take it back. Walk, walk, walk. Take it back. Take it back. All right, back into that dance move. Here we go. Out we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. I want to see those hips rocking in. Rock it out. Out we go. Now let's change the arms here. And take it up. Up we go. And up. Oh, that's it. Involving that upper body. We're going to get maximum burn. Only need 5 minutes, guys. All right. Let's hold it here and do another dance move. Let's go. Side together. Side together. That's it. A little bit of salsa fun. Shake it out. All right. Walk it forward. Take it back. So guys, 5-minute fat burner. Why do I call it a fat burner? Because this pace is 60 to 70% of your heart rate. Max heart rate, okay? We're in the fat burning zone right now. All right, take it to the side. That's it. Take it out. All right. And take it up. Come on, everybody, move that body. That's it. Take it up. Take it up. All right. Walk it forward. That's it. Take it back. You got it, guys. Oh, awesome groove. Let's go. Walk, walk, walk. Take it back. And out we go. That's it. Now let's go side to side again. Side, side. And shake it out, guys. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. That's it. Just have fun with it. That's what it's all about. This could be the instigator to making you work out more. That's it. All you have to do, commit to 5 minutes. This is my 5-minute to win the day rule. You know those times where you don't feel like working out? Start with 5 minutes. This could be it. All right. Here we go. Let's go. Knees up. Knees up. Knees up. Double. Double. Drop. Double. That's it. Let's go. Come on. Up. Up. Stick it up. Double. You got it. All right. Let's go. 1. 1. Walk it back. Give me those arms. Take it up. Take it up. Wave it in the air. That's it. Have fun with this walk. Take it back. And out. walk, walk, walk. Now roll it out. Take it back. That's it. Come on, everybody. Feel those tropical vibes. Let's go. It's made for now, not tomorrow. All right, ready to move that body? Here we go. Out, rock it out. And rock, rock, rock. Come on. Have fun in your living room, grooving it out. And rock, rock, rock. And rock, rock, rock. And rock, rock, rock. And walk, walk, walk. That's it. All right, keep going, travel it. That's it. And one more. Let's take it to the side. Here we go. Let's take those kickbacks. Increase that intensity. Let's go. Walk, walk, walk. And here we go. Woo. That's it. All right, walk, walk, walk. Come on. All right, guys. Nearing the end. That's it. Keep powering through. Come on, push it out. Give me maximum energy. That's it. All right, give me 4 more side walks. Here we go. And 1. That's it. Come on. 2. Push it out. Push it out. 3. That's it. And 4. Hold it there. All right, guys. Walk, walk, walk. You are done and dusted. Now, if you guys want to keep going, I suggest you click play on another workout right about now. But if that's all you have for today, well done on 800 steps. You smashed it. There are no excuses, guys. If you're short on time, this 5-minute workout would have been perfect for you. Now, if you like this video, don't forget, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know how you can connect with me and my tribe, all the links are below in the description. And I'll catch you for another workout another day. Bye for now.